This is a 300, a Kawasaki JS300 with a 650 engine in it. Got a custom pipe. It's routed out the back with the same tip back there. New bars, all that stuff. So guess it's about to go. Big improvement.
Ride plate.
Oh yeah, the extended ride plate with the fan. Extends. About to ride out. That thing will be real. It's pretty quick up to about 30, and then it starts just taking off. And it's gone. Sorry if the finger gets over the lens. I'm trying to not drop it in the water. You know what I'm saying? Didn't mean to put. All right. He's kind of far away. Can't see how fast he's going, but he's moving. Pretty nice ski. He's down. It's kind of a hard thing to do. Sounds like a chainsaw. Stop it right there.